Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add money to my Fidelity Brokerage account. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up the app, and then you can just come here at the bottom and hit transact, okay? And here you'll see add funds, right? Go ahead and tap on this. And what you need to do, right? You need to come here and click on transfer. Then you choose from what account you're transferring, right? So you come here, tap on this drop down. You can choose your account or you can add new ones. You can link your bank, recipient, your Venmo, your PayPal contact, any of that. You can deposit checks. You can do transferring investments from another firm as well. If you have your account added, go ahead and choose that and select to which account you're adding it to. Choose your frequency, let's say just once. You can choose the date. You can just enter the amount here as well, okay? Say $25. Click here on review and you'll see all the details here. Transferring $25. Hit submit. There you go. It has been added. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.